Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and I am Jayanta. At first I am just testing color and practicing a single cherry and without sketch with just color. I think this is just practice and the color is, I think it's better, and paint shadows or look a 3D effect. Have you noticed that sometimes you look at the world in a funny way? When you became interested in painting, after a while you begin to see things differently. This is what happened to me when I went to the market and noticed these cherries. The first thing I said to myself was, those cherries would make a great subject for a painting. I did not think those looked delicious or I could make a great cherry tray with those. No instinct. I started to wonder which watercolor paints I should mix to get that amazing range of cherries red. This happens to me very often. Maybe you find yourself doing the same things. So this tutorial is about how to paint cherries in watercolor. And now you can see these cherries with highlight, and the shadows make a 3D look and realistic cherries looks. So maybe it's fine. And now here I am showing the light coming from left side. So I paint the shadows in right side just a little. Now it's okay, and this is fine. So beginners, do you like the cherry? If you like, now I am painting cherries different ways, and they are little different because here I will show the light coming from right side and I will make the shadows in left side. You can see, yes, I am doing it, and here the light is from coming right side, so the painting will little different. So beginners, watch my full video. Hope you will enjoy it, and after that you also try cherries with this technique very easily, and it's very simple and easy technique with highlights and shadows. So try it and please watch my full video. Hope you will enjoy it, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hello, thank you for watching my video. Hope you enjoy it, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel.